Hey everyone, Tom here, and today we're going to take a look at how to attach the hose assembly to our D14MZ3000 unit. Now first, let's go ahead and take a look at the components inside our hose assembly. We'll have a 6-foot section of 4mm hose, 2 white ferrule adapters, 2 nuts, and 1 strainer with duckbill seal. Now, before attaching the hose, we need to take a look at the ends and make sure that they are cut flat, even, and squared off. If they're not, take this opportunity to cut the ends square and even using a sharp blade. Once we've ensured that they're nice and even, we can go ahead and take one end of our hose assembly and fit it through our nut and ferrule. Take one nut, feeding it through the small end first, and then take one of our ferrule adapters, fitting it through the large end of the ferrule, and pushing the hose through so that a very small bit is exposed through the other end. Then, take the ferrule and the hose assembly together and push it up onto the check valve and attach the nut, tightening it hand tight. Now we're going to go ahead and attach our strainer to the other end. To attach the strainer, again, make sure that the end is squared and even, cutting if need to at this point. Then feed the hose through the small end of the nut, and then through the large end of the ferrule, again pushing the hose so that a very small amount is exposed through the end of the ferrule adapter. Then you can take your hose and your ferrule together and push it onto the strainer assembly and tighten our nut down hand tight. You're now ready to place the strainer inside your concentrate tank and begin injecting. As always, I've been Tom, and thanks for watching.